Under plain polarized light, tourmaline shows a subhedral form. The color of tourmaline is generally colorless under PPL. It displays high relief, so the mineral grain stands out prominently from the surrounding medium. Cleavage is absent. Pleochroism varies by tourmaline types. Elbanite tourmaline shows no pleochroism. Scolecite tourmaline, on the other hand, is weakly pleochroic, meaning it shows slight color change upon rotation. Now let's observe tourmaline under crossed polars. The maximum interference color differs by variety. In albanite, it ranges from first order red to first order blue. But in scolecite, you will observe second order red interference color. The extinction pattern is parallel extinction. It's a useful diagnostic feature for tourmaline. Stay tuned for more mineral identification content and subscribe to Earth Detective for more optical mineralogy insights. That's all for today. See you in our next video.